To use tools in Canva, start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening an existing project. At the top or left side of the editor, you'll find the main tools panel. First, use the Select tool to click, move, resize, or rotate any element on your canvas. This tool helps you easily manage and arrange your design items. Next, choose the Draw tool to hand draw lines, sketches, or highlights. You can change the brush type, size, and color to match your design style. Use shapes to add circles, squares, and other basic forms. Shapes are great for backgrounds, icons, or design sections, and you can resize and recolor them anytime. The Lines tool lets you add straight or curved lines to divide content or emphasize areas. You can adjust line thickness, style, and color from the toolbar. Select Sticky Notes to add quick notes or ideas to your design. These are perfect for brainstorming, planning, or collaboration. Use the Text tool to add headings, subheadings, or body text. Customize the font, size, color, spacing, and effects using the top menu.